Hi guys! Today, I'm so excited to share with you this beautiful homemade cheesecake. This is my first time to bake a peach cheesecake and I think it's the best cheesecake ever. So join me in my kitchen and let's start. Here are the ingredients. For our crust, we have 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. Let's add our butter to the graham cracker crumbs and stir until evenly moistened. Let's put the butter crumbs in a 9-inch diameter springform pan. Let's press crumbs over bottom and 1/2 inch upsides of a 9-inch diameter springform pan. Bake about 8 minutes until the crust begins to brown. And set aside to cool on rack. Next, using an electric mixer, beat the cream cheese in a large bowl until fluffy. Gradually add the flour and vanilla. Scrape the sides of the bowl if needed to evenly mix all the ingredients. Let's add 1/2 of yogurt. Now add 1 cup of sugar and beat everything until smooth. Next, let's add some zest of lemon. Now, let's beat in the eggs one at a time. Scrape and fold one last time to make sure everything is well mixed. Now let's pour the cheese mixture into the crust. Let's cover the springform pan bottom with a large piece of foil. Double it up to make sure the water does not leak into the crust. Now let's place the protected cheesecake into the center of the baking pan. Let's pour in hot water to add humidity while baking. Let's bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now let's remove the cheesecake from oven. Let it cool completely. Once it's done, the top should be a bit fluffy and very slightly golden brown. Place it in refrigerator to chill overnight. Next step, we will make our glazed peach toppings. Just combine all the ingredients in a saucepan and continuously stir over low heat until all the sugar dissolves and let the sugar mixture cool. Next, we will add our glazed peach toppings. Carefully fold in the peach slices and refrigerate for an hour. Now our cheesecake is chilled. Let's arrange the peach slices on top. Let's slowly remove it from our springform pan. And here's our peach cheesecake. Let's take a slice. Guys, I hope you have a chance to make this. I promise that it's worth a try. If you like my recipes, hit that like button and subscribe. See you in my next video.